Baltimore, located in Maryland, was founded in 1729 and named after the Irish barony of Baltimore. The city played a crucial role in the War of 1812. The defense of Fort McHenry inspired Francis Scott Key to write The Star-Spangled Banner. Baltimore is known as the Charm City, a nickname that highlights its warm and welcoming atmosphere. The city's inner harbor is one of the most iconic waterfronts in the United States, featuring shops, restaurants, and attractions like the National Aquarium. Baltimore has a rich history in the shipping industry, serving as a major port city for much of its early existence. The city is home to several historical landmarks, including the Edgar Allan Poe House, where the famous writer lived for some time. Baltimore is known for its unique style of crab cakes, made primarily from lump crab meat and often served with a side of tartar sauce. The Baltimore Oriole, a bird known for its striking orange and black plumage, is the state bird of Maryland. The city has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and music venues, including the renowned Baltimore Symphony Orchestra. Johns Hopkins University, founded in 1876, is one of the leading research universities in the world and has its main campus in Baltimore. The city is famous for its historic neighborhoods, such as Fells Point and Mount Vernon, which feature cobblestone streets and 19th-century architecture. Baltimore is home to the first-ever statue dedicated to a woman, the statue of Florence Nightingale located in the Florence Nightingale Garden. The city has a strong baseball tradition and is home to the Baltimore Orioles, a Major League Baseball team established in 1901. Baltimore's famous Han culture is characterized by a friendly, down-to-earth attitude and is often celebrated during the annual Han Fest. The city has a significant African American history, with notable figures like Frederick Douglass and Harriet Tubman having strong ties to the area. Baltimore has over 200 neighborhoods, each with its own unique character and charm. The city is known for its beautiful parks, including Druid Hill Park, one of the oldest landscaped public parks in the United States. Baltimore's population is diverse, with a rich mix of cultures and ethnicities contributing to its vibrant community. The Walters Art Museum, located in Baltimore, houses a collection of art spanning over 5,000 years, from ancient artifacts to modern pieces. The city is famous for its unique dialect, often referred to as Baltimorese, which features distinctive pronunciations and phrases. Baltimore was a significant site for the abolitionist movement, and many underground railroad routes ran through the city. The city hosts the Maryland Film Festival, an annual event that showcases independent films and filmmakers from around the world. Baltimore is known for its historic landmarks, including the Bromo Seltzer Tower, which once served as a clock tower and is now an artist studio space. The city has a thriving culinary scene, with a mix of traditional Maryland cuisine and innovative dining experiences. Baltimore is the birthplace of the popular board game Monopoly, created by Charles Darrow in the 1930s. The city is home to the American Visionary Art Museum, which showcases self-taught artists and their unique creations. Baltimore has a rich musical heritage, contributing to genres like jazz, go-go, and hip-hop. The city is also known for its numerous festivals, including the Preakness Stakes, a major horse race held annually at Pimlico Race Course. The Maryland Science Center, located in the Inner Harbor, features interactive exhibits and an IMAX theater, making it a popular family destination. Baltimore's historic waterfront has been revitalized over the years, making it a hub for tourism and recreation. The city is home to several historic ships, including the USS Constellation, the last all-sail warship built by the U.S. Navy. Baltimore has a strong tradition of community activism and social justice movements, with many organizations working towards positive change. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with a wide array of bars, clubs, and live music venues. Baltimore's neighborhoods are often characterized by their distinct architecture, featuring row houses and historic buildings. The city has hosted several major sporting events, including the Super Bowl and the MLB All-Star Game. Baltimore is the setting for many films and television shows, including the critically acclaimed series, The Wire. The city boasts a diverse array of museums, including the Baltimore Museum of Industry, which celebrates the city's industrial history. Baltimore's public transportation system includes the Baltimore Light Rail Link and the Metro Subway Link, providing convenient access throughout the city. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability, with various initiatives aimed at promoting green living and environmental conservation. Baltimore's historic Lexington Market has been serving fresh food since 1782 and is one of the oldest continuously operating markets in the United States. The city's population has seen fluctuations, peaking in the 1950s and experiencing decline in the following decades, but revitalization efforts are ongoing. Baltimore is known for its role in the development of the American railroad system, with significant railroads passing through the city. The city has a wealth of public art installations, including murals that reflect the community's history and culture. Baltimore has hosted numerous conventions and events, making it a popular destination for business travelers. The city is also home to the National Great Blacks in Wax Museum, the first wax museum dedicated to African American history. Baltimore's weather features hot summers and mild winters, making it a year-round destination for visitors. The city has produced many notable figures in various fields, including literature, sports, and politics.